Ladies and gentlemen, when I first saw this 1961 Chevrolet Corvair 95 Rampside Pickup with its drop-in camper, I thought my neighbor Larry had finally traded in his fishing shack for something that could actually move. I mean, this rig looks like a time capsule on wheels. Half truck, half mobile weekend escape plan. Finished in white with a red stripe and topped with a metal-clad camper. It's got the kind of look that makes you want to roll down the windows, crank up some Beach Boys, and pretend you're heading straight for Route 66 instead of the grocery store. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join the CampAvto crew. We dig up the coolest rigs on the planet, crack a few jokes along the way, and show you why vintage campers still rule the open road. Let's talk specs. Under the rear hatch sits an air-cooled 145 cubic inch, 2.4-liter, flat-six engine, pushing 80 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox. Yeah, that's not going to win any drag races, but I believe the Corvair's charm has never been about speed. It's about personality. And trust me, this one's got more personality than my buddy Rick's karaoke nights after 3 beers. The cabin keeps it simple but stylish, with blue upholstery, matching door panels, a Delco AM/FM radio, and even a Cobra Classic CB radio for when you want to chat with truckers who still think 10-4, good buddy, is the height of conversation. The odometer reads just 17,000 miles. Though the true mileage, like my neighbor's fishing stories, might be a bit of a mystery. Step into the camper, and you're stepping into a 1960s dream. There's wood cladding, blue accents, a dining booth with a table, and a cozy bed above the cab. You've got a sink, a propane-fueled stovetop and oven, an icebox, storage compartments, a roof vent, and even overhead lamps. I think it's the kind of space where you can cook bacon, play cards, and plan your next bad idea without ever leaving the camper. Sure, the propane tank's held by a bungee cord, but hey, that's vintage engineering. Or as Larry calls it, lightweight innovation. The truck rides on white steel wheels with aged Jetson tires that tell you it spent more time posing at shows than crossing deserts. This rolling slice of Americana sold for $23,980 USD, around 21,800 euros, and honestly, that's a bargain for something that turns every parking lot into a conversation starter. Whether you're a collector, an adventurer, or just someone who likes your vacations with a side of nostalgia, the Corvair 95 Pickup, with its camper, is a reminder that the good old days came with chrome bumpers and character to spare. So if you ever see one of these beauties rolling by, don't just stare. Wave, smile, and maybe shout, "Nice rig!" I think it's the least we can do for a machine that's still hauling memories 6 decades later. And hey, if you want to help keep CampAvto rolling down the road, you can become a sponsor of the channel for just $1. That's right, less than a cup of gas station coffee, and probably way more fun. Let's talk specs. Under the